So over here, you can see that I have a table in database. And if I were to go around onto the expertise field and type in any text, then it will accept that text out. So what I want here to be like is that I want here to only accept, I want this this field to only accept 3 datas, that is expert, intermediate, and beginner. So I'm just going to go around right here, copy and paste this out right here, maybe erase some of these out right here so that I can later fill this out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here in the design view for this table. And if I were to go around over here onto expertise, then you can see that the default value is intermediate right here. But what I want to do here is add in a validation rule. So I'm going to go around and click on the 3-dot icon. And here what I want here is I want the validation rule applied. So I'm going to press equals on my keyboard right here. And I'm going to type in BEGINNER, beginner right here. So that is one data that should be that can be accepted. And I'm going to type in OR right here. So I'm just going to go and type in OR right here and add in another value inside of inverted comma. I'm going to press equals right here in double inverted comma. I'm going to say intermediate, just like this. And I'm going to type in OR again and equals to another value right here. So I'm going to say expert, just like this. So these will only be the 3 text data that will be accepted. So once I press OK, that is added right here. So I'm going to go around and then I'm going to go around into the datasheet view right now and save this out. Let me just save out everything. And now if I were to type in random letter, you can see that 1 or more values are prohibited. So I'm just going to go around right here and type in expert and not expert, but expert right here. So let me just go around, type in expert, press enter. You can see that it accepts out the data. Similarly, beginner will be accepted out as well, and intermediate will be accepted out as well, because those are the validated data. So you can also go around over here onto the design view, and over here you can display the validation text. Enter whether, or maybe enter I'm just going to go around and keep it simple. Enter beginner, intermediate, or expert in this field. So I'm just going to go around and type this out right here. So beginner, let me just correct that out. Okay, so beginner, intermediate, or expert in this field. So I'm just going to go around right here onto the datasheet view and then save this out. So if I were to go around and type in something, press enter, it says enter beginner, intermediate, or expert in this field. So I'm just going to go around, type in expert right here. And then what happens is that it accepts out the data. And that is how you can do text validation inside of a field inside of MS Access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.